Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. Welcome to my spooky macrame series. If that's your jam, subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Alright, let's get started. You're going to need 8 hoops, orange yarn, scissors, masking tape, and a wooden dowel for this project. My hoops are actually bangles that I had found at the dollar store. We are going to be creating spiral knots around our bangle. If you're unfamiliar with spiral knots, no worries, I have a tutorial that I'll link in the description box for you. I also want to point out that the masking tape is optional, but I did find it very helpful to hold the bangle up while I made my spiral knots. So let's keep knotting away, and we're going to have to go all the way around the entire bangle. And we do have 8 of these to do. It's a little time consuming, but I promise it's fun. Okay, you should have 8 bangles already wrapped and completed. I'm using a piece of black bamboo for my wooden dowel. We are going to center our wooden dowel in the middle of our hoops, and with an additional piece of yarn, we're going to tie it all together right in the center. You don't have to be super particular with the knots that are used in the center. It just has to be tied all snug together to hold your pumpkin. But if you're curious to know, I use double half hitches. Once you straighten it all out, you should have something that looks like this. If you like this series, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.